Hi guys, Greg here in the Garage Series. We're taking a look at the NIGHTFX Guide Lights by LUND. These lights are really pretty bright. They're 15 lumens each and broadcast a wide pattern. They're designed to where, with their thin mount, that you could actually mount them in the fender wells, under the side steps, or in the bed. It is a plug-and-play wiring design which allows you to utilize the OBD2 port for the power. The lights are actually activated by either opening the door or touching your key fob, and they'll turn off after 30 seconds. Our install here ended up taking about 2 hours. It's a simple, straightforward installation, depending on your wiring skill, how much wiring you've done, and where you end up placing the lights. The lights are they're thin mount, so the design you can either attach with screws or with tape. We attached ours underneath the step. This installation took us about 2 hours. Now, if the installation included fender well lights, or if we were mounting the lights in the bed, that would change that timetable. So it really varies. On the scale, we'd probably give this a 2 out of 10 on our wrenches as far as how hard it is. Simple, straightforward install. They come with a 3-year warranty. So there you go, the NIGHTFX Guide Lights by LUND. If you want to learn more about what we've covered, check the description below. It'll also include the part number for this kit. If you want to see the product and you want to get it possibly installed, check our dealer locator link for the Total Truck Center stores. Find a Total Truck Center store near you at that link. This has been Greg in the garage.